In this tutorial, we're going to talk about using the SimLab VR Viewer to view 3D models in virtual reality mode. Once you initiate the application, set the viewing mode to VR, then select the model you wish to view. To look around in the scene, simply rotate your head in the direction you need to explore. To move around in the scene, aim the orange pointer at the center of the view at the location where you wish to move to. Once the orange indicator is fully loaded, you will teleport to that location. Interacting with objects in the scene is similar to moving around. Just aim the orange pointer at the object, and once the pointer's indicator is loaded, the object will execute the behavior associated with it. If you look below, you will notice a radial menu appearing. From this quick access menu, you can toggle actions on or off. Once the actions are toggled off, you can explore the scene without any interaction from the objects and focus solely on the scene's design. Another option the quick access menu offers is activating options lists. Once activated, any objects in the scene that have lists connected to them will be highlighted. Aim at the highlighted object to view the list's pins. Then aim at the pin to view the available options. Interact with any of the displayed options to activate them. If you wish to explore a different scene other than the one currently being viewed, you can display a list of the available scenes from the Quick Access menu. Then aim at the scene you wish to load to begin exploring it. SimLab VR Viewer allows you to view 3D models in virtual reality with ease. It also gives you the ability to interact with the model and explore the different behaviors and appearances of the elements in the design, making it an essential tool for any designer looking for an exceptional 3D experience.